Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. So according to the question, we have been asked whether a equals 250 is the root of the equation a upon 10 equals 5. So in this type of questions, we have to solve by taking the left hand side and the right hand side. Now if left hand side becomes equals right hand side, then the given statement is true, otherwise it's false. So in the left hand side, sorry. So in the left hand side, we have a upon 10, and in the right hand side, we have a constant which is equals 5. Now in the question, the value of a is said to be 250. So let's substitute a equals 250 in the left hand side. So we will have 250 upon 10, which is equals 25. So as we can see, left hand side is equals 25 and right hand side is equals 5. So left hand side is not equals right hand side. Therefore, we can say that a equals 250 is not the root of the given equation. Therefore, false will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.